Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about HubStaff, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add time into your tracker using HubStaff? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add manual time into your HubStaff? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or maybe you're a freelancer, you know that sometimes you forget to click the time tracker. So you need to manually enter that time in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HubStaff dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HubStaff and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you need to add time manually to one of your projects, you're going to click right here on timesheet. Once you click there, you're going to see your time tracking in HubStaff. You can see down here. However, in order to manually add time, you're going to click right here on this blue button, add time. Okay, so here is where we can go ahead and add time manually. First, you want to go ahead and choose the project that you are working on. So I'll choose this one right here. If you had a to-do or a task, you can go ahead and add that here. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and choose the date. So if it happened today, go ahead and just click on the day. And then here is where you're going to go ahead and manually log your time. So let's say that I forgot to use my tracker from, let's say, from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. Okay, now it's showing me the time. Looks like it was 2 hours. Okay, here you can go ahead and disclose if this should be billable time or not. If it's billable, make sure this check mark is green. And then here you can go ahead and put the reason. So if you are sending this over to your boss or to your client, it is possible that they're going to contest it. So definitely make sure you use your time tracker when possible, but sometimes you just kind of forget. So you need to send this in to have it approved. So I'm going to click here, forget to start or stop. Now, if you want to include an explanation, go ahead and click here, add note, and then you can explain. So dog ate my homework. Okay. All right. So once you've had this all filled out, you want to go ahead and click on save. Okay. A quick second later, you can see in my timesheet right here that I was working on this project and it shows the notes and then the reason that I manually added this time in right here. It shows the duration right here and also lets you know manual time added right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add time into your tracker using HubStaff, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.